This video will show you how to manage funds. Hotelogix lets you easily manage funds and track all financial transactions for a counter. Let us see how. Hover the cursor on Front Desk tab. Hover the cursor on Fund Operations in the drop-down list. The sub-list with options to withdraw or add funds opens. If you wish to withdraw funds, click Funds Withdrawal. The Funds Withdrawal page opens, reflecting current status of funds for the counter. To make a cash withdrawal, type in the amount that you wish to withdraw. Type in the comments or reason for funds withdrawal in the free text box. Click Withdraw Funds. The withdrawal transaction updates in the counter summary. Note: the total available cash balance also updates in the counter's funds operation summary. Click Print to print the receipt or click Continue to work to proceed to the front desk. Similarly, you can even add funds if needed. This brings us to the end of the video on how to manage funds.